Hi, Stephen here from INEXTERIORS Painters and Decorators, and you're watching INEXTERIORS TV. In this video, we're going to be cleaning some really old paint off a plug socket. If you would like to purchase some of the similar tools that are used for this task, please feel free to check out the link in the description below. And also, if you're planning on doing any other decorating works, please feel free to visit my tool store. The link is also in the description below. So with that said, let's do this! The tools that I'm using for this task is a window blade, filling knife and dust brush. This is the socket that we're going to be cleaning with the really old paint on, and as you can see there's a couple of different colours on it. With a combination of my window blade and filling knife, I set about scraping the paint off this socket. And just to let you know, this blade in this window blade is quite old. I don't recommend using a fresh neat blade because that can dig into the plastic. I am having to put a bit of effort in as well when I'm doing this. I'm not just doing it sort of lightly. It's not like I've just got a bit of overspray that's just gone onto the socket and I'm having to clean basically like fresh dry paint off a socket when I've just finished the job. This is like sort of really old baked on paint. I can't believe that I left a slightly damp cloth out of the tool picture of what's needed at the beginning, but I did. But hey ho, it's progress, not perfection. Here's a reminder of what they looked like before, and here they are now, all clean. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you can get notified of when I release my next video. Remember, it is free. Also, if you want to leave a comment in the comment section, please do so because that's how we all learn and grow. Thank you very much for watching, and take care.